In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a vehicle to Progressive Insurance. To get started, open the Progressive app on your phone, or go to the Progressive website and sign into your account. Make sure you're logging into the policy you want to update, since all of the changes you make will be tied to that specific insurance policy. Once you're signed in, look for the policy section, or in some cases, manage policy. This is where Progressive keeps the main controls for your current coverage. Tap or click into that area and then select policy changes. This section is designed for updates like replacing a car, adding a new one, or adjusting details on your policy. Next, choose Add a Vehicle. This will open the form where you can enter the details for the car you want to insure. Take your time here because accuracy is important. You'll need to provide the vehicle identification number, also called the VIN, along with the make, model, year, and purchase date. If you have your registration, bill of sale, or dealership paperwork nearby, that can make this step much easier and help you avoid mistakes. After entering the vehicle details, you'll be asked to choose the coverage options and deductibles for the new vehicle. This part matters because it affects both your protection and your monthly or total premium. As you go through the options, make sure the coverage you select matches how you plan to use the vehicle and the level of protection you want. Once that's done, Progressive will show you your updated premium and revised policy details. Review everything carefully before moving forward. Check that the vehicle information is correct, confirm the coverage selections, and make sure the pricing looks right. This is a good moment to catch any errors before the request is submitted. If everything looks good, confirm the changes and submit your request. After submitting, all that's left to do is wait for the confirmation. Progressive will typically send a confirmation message or email letting you know the vehicle has been successfully added to your policy. Before you finish, it's a smart idea to save a copy of the confirmation for your records. That way, if you need proof of the update later, you'll have it ready. And that's it. By following these steps, you can add a vehicle to your Progressive insurance policy quickly and with confidence.